JEE Mains, 5th April 2026, Shift 2. Question 26. This question is about Planck units, also known as natural units. These are fundamental quantities expressed purely in terms of Planck's constant h, the gravitational constant g, and the speed of light c. Let's visualize how these three constants combine to give us the basic c units. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 contains c units, meter mapped to L, second mapped to S, kilogram mapped to M, and Kelvin mapped to K. List 2 contains expressions involving h, g, and c. We need to find which expression gives each c unit. The key concept here is dimensional analysis. We know the dimensions of h, g, and c. H has dimensions m L squared T inverse 1. G has dimensions m inverse L cubed T inverse 2. C has dimensions L T inverse 1. We need to combine these to get pure m, pure L, pure T, or pure K. Let's find each match. First, for kilogram. We check option I, square root of hc over g. Hc over g has dimensions ml squared T inverse 1 times Lt inverse 1 divided by m inverse L cubed T inverse 2. Simplifying m squared. So square root gives m, which is kilogram. Therefore, C matches I. Next, for second. Check option 2, square root of gh over c to the power 5. Gh has dimensions m inverse L cubed T inverse 2 times ml squared T inverse 1, which gives L to the power 5, T inverse 3. Dividing by c to the 5, which is L to the 5 T inverse 5, we get T squared. Square root gives T, which is second. So B matches 2. Now for meter. Check option 4, square root of gh over c cubed. Gh over c cubed, the numerator is L to the 5 T inverse 3 as before, divided by L cubed T inverse 3, gives L squared. Square root gives L, which is meter. A matches 4. Finally, D, which is Kelvin, matches 3 by elimination. Option 3 contains Boltzmann's constant K in the expression, which is needed to define temperature. So D matches 3. The correct answer is option 2, A maps to 4, B maps to 2, C maps to I, and D maps to 3. G exam tip, for Planck unit problems, memorize the 3 key Planck quantities. Planck length equals square root of gh over c cubed. Planck time equals square root of gh over c to the 5. Planck mass equals square root of hc over g. Then use dimensional analysis to verify. This saves time in the exam. Like and subscribe for more G solutions at MAGPIEHUB.